Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: how to detox your kidneys naturally and effectively. Your kidneys are incredible organs, working tirelessly to filter waste products from your blood and maintain your body's fluid balance. But with our modern lifestyles, it's easy for toxins to build up, putting extra stress on these essential organs. That's why I'm sharing 5 secret ways to give your kidneys some extra love and support their natural detoxification process. Stay tuned to discover how to optimize your kidney health and enhance your overall well-being. Let's kick off our kidney health journey with the simplest yet most powerful detox tip: staying hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for every aspect of your health, especially for those hardworking kidneys. Think of water as your body's internal cleansing agent. When you drink enough water, you're flushing out toxins and waste products. But how much water is enough? The ideal amount varies depending on factors like your activity level and climate. Pay attention to your body's signals. Thirst is a clear indication. Opt for filtered water to minimize exposure to contaminants. Carry a reusable water bottle as a reminder to stay hydrated. A well-hydrated body is a happy body, and happy kidneys are essential for health. Let's move on to our next kidney-friendly superstar: cranberry juice. This tart and tangy beverage is more than just a Thanksgiving staple. It boasts impressive health benefits for your kidneys. Cranberries contain proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls. This helps reduce infections and stress on your kidneys. Unsweetened, 100% cranberry juice is best, not sugary cocktails. Added sugars can do more harm than good. Consult your healthcare provider before adding new supplements. Chapter 3. Let's talk about the power of a colorful plate. Fruits and vegetables are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that benefit your entire body, including your kidneys. When it comes to kidney health, aim for a variety of colorful produce to maximize their detoxifying potential. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in vitamins and minerals that support kidney function. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, are bursting with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and inflammation. And don't forget about cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These nutritional superstars contain compounds that help your body naturally eliminate toxins. Incorporating a wide array of fruits and vegetables into your diet provides your kidneys with the essential nutrients they need to function optimally and effectively filter waste products from your body. So make your plate as vibrant as a rainbow and enjoy the delicious flavors while supporting your kidney health. Chapter 4. Let's explore the world of herbal teas, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. Herbal teas have been used for centuries to support various aspects of health, and kidney support is no exception. Certain herbal teas possess natural diuretic properties, meaning they help flush out excess fluids and waste products from your body, easing the workload on your kidneys. One popular choice is dandelion tea, which has been traditionally used to support kidney and liver health. Dandelion acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine output and promoting detoxification. Nettle tea is another excellent option, known for its cleansing properties. It's believed to help flush out toxins and reduce inflammation in the kidneys. As with any herbal remedy, moderation is key. Start by incorporating 1 cup of herbal tea into your daily routine and see how your body responds. And remember, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding new herbs or supplements to your regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Chapter 5. Let's address a common culprit behind kidney strain: excessive sodium intake. While sodium is an essential mineral our bodies need, most of us consume far more than necessary, primarily through processed foods and restaurant meals. When you consume too much sodium, it disrupts your body's fluid balance, putting extra pressure on your kidneys to filter out the excess. Over time, this can lead to elevated blood pressure, a major risk factor for kidney disease. The good news is that reducing your sodium intake is a simple yet impactful way to protect your kidneys. Start by reading food labels carefully and choosing low-sodium options whenever possible. When cooking at home, experiment with herbs, spices, and other flavor enhancers to reduce your reliance on salt. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in the long run. By being mindful of your sodium intake, you're making a conscious choice to support your kidney health and overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is an investment in your long-term health. By incorporating these natural strategies into your daily routine, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes and keep your kidneys functioning at their best. As always, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Here's to happy, healthy kidneys.